automating Linux installations and have a KS Kickstart file. This script configures unattended Red Hat or Fedora installations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Kickstart configuration script files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your KS file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A KS file is a Kickstart configuration script used to perform an unattended installation of Red Hat-based Linux operating systems like RHEL, CentOS, and Fedora. System administrators create these plain text files to automate the entire installation process, specifying settings for language, networking, partitioning, and package selection. The KS file is a plain text script with a simple command-based syntax. Each line specifies a configuration option or a script to be run pre- or post-installation. This text-based design was chosen for its simplicity, version controllability, and ease of editing, allowing administrators to easily create and modify complex installation routines. The operating system preferentially attempts to open KS using Red Hat Kickstart from Red Hat Yatan Inc. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows shows only raw code, so real operation requires dedicated scripting tools. To open this specific KS file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Red Hat Kickstart is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. When your KS file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, editing in text editor. Open the KS file in any text editor like vNano or VS Code. The plain text format displays directives clearly. Modify partition layouts, package selections, network settings, or post-install scripts to customize the deployment. Validate syntax carefully, as errors prevent successful installation. Next, validating with KS Validator. Use the KS Validator command from PyKickstart package to check Kickstart syntax. Run ks validator file.ks to identify errors before deployment. The tool catches common issues like missing required directives, invalid command parameters, and structural problems preventing failed installations on production systems. Finally, using in PXE Boot. Reference the KS file in PXE Boot configurations or installation media kernel parameters with inst URL pointing to the file. The Anaconda installer downloads and processes, the Kickstart automatically performing installation without user interaction. This enables mass deployment of identical Linux systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.